Hello everybody, welcome to Cheri Voyage. Today we're going to go over some more newness. So I'm going to start with the WESTMAN Atelier Concealer. So many of you reached out requesting that I try this out and let you guys know my thoughts. I haven't tested it even on the back of my hand. It's been sitting in this box, so we're going to try it on today together and get a first look together. Then we'll try on the new NARS lipsticks in the 4 different shades. Let's go ahead and play. So I have concealer on right now, so I'm going to take it off. And then you guys will be able to see the difference with the WESTMAN Atelier Concealer not on one eye compared to it on the other, and we'll see how it performs. I'll probably put it on a couple different parts of my face. Concealer makes a difference. While I'm opening this, I'm going to go ahead and read a few key points that I'm reading over here. It says it's a vital skincare brightening concealer with hyaluronic acid. There are 16 shades. I got it in the color L2. It states that it is a precise buildable coverage under eye concealer, clinically shown to reduce the look of dark circles, featuring serum strength skincare to hydrate, visibly brighten, and soothe. Highlighted ingredients are gentian root, coffee leaf extract, and licorice root to brighten dark circles and hyperpigmentation and to lift and firm the look around the eyes. Mini hyaluronic acid features a low molecular weight for optimal absorption, hydration, and visibly firms and smooths. And it has peptides to support natural collagen and soften the look of crepiness, fine lines, and crow's feet. So it's specifically for the eyes. I wasn't sure if something that was going to be used all over the face. Of course you can, but it seems by what I'm reading, it is targeted for your under eye or eye area. It's a good day to do it. I didn't sleep really well, and I've got my dark purple in that inner corner. Some out here as well. That might be too much. I feel like I could have used half of that. But let's see the consistency here. Huh. It's really rich. It's already covering really well, but it's not blending really well. It wants to quickly grab onto the skin, which isn't necessarily a bad thing. I'm just used to a emollient concealer. It gives you a little wiggle time when it comes to application. That does brighten. My goodness, does that brighten. Woo! I like the color. I feel like I'm awake. Now, I never put a blob or too much concealer right here because that's where there's a lot of expression lines and usually thinner skin, dehydration, and such. So I kind of meet the inner corner and the outer corner to the middle, and I find that that's enough product. Wow. I'm impressed. I love this brush. I have one in my kit, but I lost my personal one. All right, I like it because it's got a nice little dome. It's firm, but it wiggles on the tips, so you can get this really beautiful airbrushed finish. But I'm not sure how it's going to work with this concealer. I'm going to tap it in to place, and then I'm going to buff and move it around the edges. Whatever's left over, I'm just going to quickly put up here just to see if it kind of brightens the brow bone. And it does. Dang, it's like an eraser, you guys. This is crazy. Let's see if it covers this stubborn dark spot. Oh my goodness. You guys, I try so many products, and I've been doing this for 26 years, and I don't get wowed easily, but this is a wow category concealer. For those of you with dark circles, yeah. I'm curious to see, though, how it will do on people with deeper set lines or fuller bags. Bring it in, see how that's settled. This is my first try on, so I'm not sure how it's going to look in a couple hours. Remind me if I forget to update you guys on how it wears after, let's say, a good couple weeks, 2 to 3 weeks. So far, so good, though. It's interesting how quickly it's setting. It does want to grab pretty quickly, but it's blendable, but it just wants to cover and grab and sit. So I wouldn't put too much around the eyes. Less is more. This should last me at least a year. And work relatively quickly. I find that I like it better with the fingers to place it and then buff it with the brush. I'm just impressed at how well it's covering and how much it brightened underneath my eye area. So far so good. Get my fingers crossed that it like stays this way and doesn't look dehydrated under the eye area. This is what I find with concealers. They're initially beautiful and then they end up settling after a couple hours. We have the new refillable NARS satin lipsticks. I have talked about NARS lipsticks consistently throughout the start of my channel. NARS lipsticks are one of my top 5 favorite lipstick brands. I like the color layout. I like the formula. The Audacious lipstick original formula in the square tube are some of the most richly pigmented, beautifully hydrating, saturated color lipsticks ever, and for the price point, they're exceptional. So I'm hoping the new ones live up to the Audacious. So there are 23 shades, and it states on here they have hyaluronic acid, the refillable satin finish, medium coverage, obviously stick formula. It says it's a high-end dimensional satin lipstick that delivers long-lasting comfort with vibrant, pure color payoff and a creamy, smudge-resistant wear. Key highlight ingredients is rosehip seed oil and hyaluronic acid to lock in moisture, color sculpt technology to deliver intense dimensional color, and Luxe Comfort Complex hugs the lips comfortably. All right, let's try all these on. Very pigmented, feels great on the lips, a little drier than the Audacious, but still moisturizing. So it feels like to me they took the Audacious, kept that pigmentation, but made it feel a little lighter on the lips, and it's cleaned the lips a little more. It's not as wet and creamy. It's not going to move around as much, so it's really going to hug the lips, but it doesn't feel uncomfortable. All right, everyone, I'm going to go ahead and start filming the next video because I have a pile of products that are new and some that are getting older because, you know, in the beauty world, it's been maybe a whole month since they've been sitting here. So I'm going to try to get those out to you. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. You guys like what you're seeing here on Voyage. The best way to support me or any content creator that you're absolutely loving is to go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, use our affiliate links down below for any of your shopping needs, and leave us a comment. That's the highlight personally of my day. If you guys haven't had enough, you can head to TikTok, you can head to Instagram where I do sneak peeks and mini tutorials, and you can also book me for a one-on-one artistry education lesson. Head to shrevoyage.com. All right, everyone, as always, take care of you, take care of each other, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye for now, everybody.